Hi, my name is Willie Tenty, and this is my environmental presentation on water pollution. This presentation is for Mrs. Giordano's period 12-13 class. Now, you may ask, what is water pollution? Well, water pollution is any chemical, physical, or biological change in the quality of water that has a harmful effect on any living thing that drinks or uses or lives in it. I am not exactly sure when it was discovered, but on June 30th, 1948, the first controlled act on water pollution happened in the United States. I presume that water pollution was discovered thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of years ago, like when a few years after water was discovered, I guess. So, anyway, water pollution is caused by human activities such as throwing stuff in bodies of water. Here are some other activities, well, here are some photos of other activities that cause water pollution. There are two types of water pollution: point and non-point. Point sources are pollutants that come from specific locations like pipelines or sewers into surface water. Non-point sources are pollutants that cannot be traced to a single site of discharge. Example of point sources are factories, sewage treatment plants, underground mines, oil wells, and oil tankers. Non-point examples are acid deposition from the air, traffic, pollutants that spread through the rivers, and pollutants that come from, well, groundwater. Non-point pollutants are hard to control because, well, we don't do it. It's like nature's fault. Well, there aren't any pros, but there are a lot of cons to water pollution. Like, it kills many animals such as fish, birds, dolphins, and a lot more. The pollutants also disrupt the natural food chain. Like, say we have little tiny animals and stuff, like, and they get eaten by bigger fish, and then we catch the fish with our nets and stuff, and then we sell it in the market, and then we eat the fish. Well, we could get diseases like hepatitis. Now, here is some pictures of an oil spill that happened a few decades back in Alaska. You all may know of it as the Exxon oil spill, when the drunk driver was driving and he spilled it into the Alaska Prince William Sound River. Well, here are the before pictures, before the oil spilled in it, and what it looked like when the oil got spilled in it, and then after the organizations cleaned it up. And the organizations that tried to clean it up were the Groundwater Foundation and NEPA. Some of you may refer to as Environmental Protection Agency. These places or organizations try to educate us and motivate us to clean up the bodies of water and stop dirtying it up. They also have little groups that clean up the water when they do get dirtied up, and they enforce laws so they don't get dirtied up again. What I think we should do, we should have are stricter security at places like the beach so no one can litter in our waters or dump their trash in the water, which is the same thing, of course. I also think we should replace everyone's water with polluted water and see how they like it. Only for about 3 months, of course. How to advertise this is I plan to have planes fly around the U.S. with banners talking about pollution of the water. They should have a filtered cup of clean water like we usually drink and a polluted cup. And it should have big quotation signs saying, "This is how your water will look like in 5 years if you keep this up. Do you like it?" Okay, so, and I have one last final trick, but it involves going downstairs to my kitchen. Well, remember how I was talking about the oil spills? Well, the oil didn't exactly mix in with the water. It kind of floated on top of it. So to show you an example, I took the liberty of filling this little plastic aluminum foil thing in there. And then I took out my cooking oil. Well, not my cooking oil, but my parents'. And now I am about to pour it in. So the cooking oil is open. Well, I'm going to get it open. And then here we go. Here's the oil. It's just sticking on top of the water. And this is what happened in the Exxon oil spill in Alaska. It just stuck on top of there, and, well, the animals just died as it spread through the ocean or lake. So imagine if you were like a killer whale swimming, and then you see this black thing just spreading all through the water, not mixing into it, and you just see dead bodies of other fish. That's how it was like, and then they died. Hi, my name is Malik Tanti, and this is my environmental presentation. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this.